Hello. Yes, sir. Yeah, I think I lost you there, Mr. Pietre. So what time? Hey, sweetie. I'm currently filming a YouTube video, and you kind of messed it up for me. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. No problem at all. I'll just talk to you later. Okay. All right. Love you. Yeah. All right. Bye. What is good, YouTube? Your boy, once again, Gav of Paranormal for our second video. Maybe I did hype it up a little bit. Maybe I didn't talk to Jason Pietre, but hey, I mean, good idea, right? But, you know, just get into the design. Today, we're going to be making one of the dopest colorways, which is taking its inspiration from the $20,000 pair of LeBron 6s, the Stewie Griffins. I'll be recreating them on the LeBron 7. And those who know the LeBron 7, it's a highly coveted silhouette. Like I said, it's going to be dope. It's going to be fire. I'm asking you guys just to stick around to the end of the video because I promise you it won't disappoint. As always, and as we continue to grow throughout this journey, you guys sticking there with me, I'm asking you to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'm not doing this just for myself, but I want to make sure I'm putting out content that you guys will love. Once again, like I said, maybe I didn't speak to Mr. Pietre, but understand that this LeBron 7 Stewie Griffin is going to be one of the toughest colorways and one of the toughest designs that you've ever seen on this channel. Thank you. Into the paranormal. Okay, guys, off camera, we acetoned the shoes, delaced them, as well as put down our paint adhesive so that our paint will stick to the shoes. Now, starting with the upper, I came in with the yellow paint.
I can't believe you did this. Oh my God, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
After putting down the yellow, I came in with a shadow of an orange color paint. Now, in preparation to paint the toe box as well as the other connected areas, we had to tape up the upper as well as the midsole and soles of the shoe. Now, before we lay down the red paint, we gave a base coat of paint to make it a little bit easier to put that red down. Before the red paint, we put down the Stewie button stencil so that we can have as little coats to work on. Now we went around with the red paint through the airbrush, drying in between each coat so that we can get a nice solid finish. We removed the button stencils, and then we went to work on the midsoles, hitting it with the blue.
Devin, I can't believe you did this.
Oh my god, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
Next, as you can see here, we worked on the tongue with a mixture of the white as well as the Too Hard to get a nice coat on this plastic. Next, we move into the lion's head logo on the inner of the shoe. Next, we want to hit some of the upper with the gray paint. After the gray paint, we started working on Stewie Griffin himself on the other inside of the shoe.
Devin, I can't believe you did this.
We're going to finish up the button here on the front of the shoe.
Oh my god, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
Now we're back on the tongue with the GAC 900 so that way it can seep into that mesh and keep us with a nice soft filling. After that, we came back to the toe of the shoe to give that nice shadow effect near the button. And to finish the Stewie logo, we came back with a lead pencil and the black paint to sharpen up the lines.
Oh my god, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
Next, I went around the entire shoe with the black paint, outlining it to give it more of a cartoon effect. And just a point of preference, I wasn't too worried about straight lines or anything like that, like you would normally see on the shoe, because I wanted it more cartoonized.
Oh my god, it's like Bryce the Dawn.
Lastly, as you can see, I came in with the angelus so bright as well as leather dye mixture so that we can get these soles nice and dyed. As always, we got to hit it with our paint sealant. And whatever you do, when you're working with these harsh chemicals, please wear your mask. Nah, here's your final product. Yes, sir. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. The LeBron 7 Stewie Griffin. Like I said, it was going to be one of the dopest customs that you guys seen on this particular silhouette. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, so that way I can continue to pump out content for your period entertainment. Now we're going to get into the motivational quote. Some people want it to happen. Some wish it would happen. Others make it happen. There's not much to say but for us to just keep on pushing forward. Thank you for sticking around. I'll see you next time.